Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare mangodi. So let's get started. Here I have some soaked moong dal. We will grind this into a paste. So the moong dal batter is ready now. You can see how thick this is. I have not added water while grinding, or if required just add very minimal. Now let's add other ingredients in this. Adding in some chopped green chilies, some grated ginger, some chopped onions, some coriander leaves, some cumin seeds, some red chili, some asafoetida, salt to taste. Let's mix this all until well combined. This is all mixed well, so let's move on to the next steps. Now here I have some oil heating up on a medium flame. So the oil is hot now. I will just put small dumplings in here of the batter to prepare pakodi. If you're comfortable with spoon, you can use spoons as well. We will cook it on low flame and flip once the other side is done. So you can see the mangodis have become all nice golden brown in color and nice and crispy. So we'll just take them out. So the mangodi is all ready to be served. Do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.